How to use Affirm on SeatGeek. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you would like to use Affirm in your SeatGeek, you want to go ahead and simply choose your ticket. Go ahead and pick your events and seats you want. And in your cart at checkout, once your total is over $50 and eligible in-market events, you'll see Affirm as a payment option alongside credit or debit cards. Go ahead and simply click Affirm, and then you'll be redirected to Affirm's site or the app. And after you have done that, enter the basic information like your phone, email, name, and the last four of SSN for a soft credit card check. And once it is approved, Affirm finalizes your loan and sends you back to SeatGeek to complete the payment. SeatGeek processes the orders, and tickets are delivered like usual. Some orders are ineligible for Affirm payment, including events outside the US, purchases under $50, and paper-shaped tickets. There may be other purchase types that cannot be paid for with Affirm as well, but if your order is eligible for Affirm payment, you'll see an option to select Affirm as a payment method at the checkout, where you would normally select your credit card. And that is how to use Affirm in SeatGeek. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.